The camera industry is on the verge of a major shakeup, and this time, it's not coming from the usual players. DJI, a company best known for its drones and gimbals, is rumored to be preparing for a bold new venture, launching a full-frame mirrorless camera. If these leaks are accurate, DJI could be on the path to disrupting an industry long dominated by brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. A new player in the mirrorless market. DJI has already made waves in the imaging world with innovative products like the Ronin 4D and the Osmo Pocket. Their expertise in stabilization technology and compact, high-performance camera systems has positioned them as a key player in filmmaking tools. Now, it seems they are ready to take their knowledge to the next level by developing a mirrorless camera aimed at both photographers and filmmakers. While details remain limited, sources suggest that this new camera could launch as early as 2025, offering a fresh alternative to the existing options in the market. DJI's 2017 acquisition of Hasselblad was a strategic move that allowed them to integrate high-end camera technology into their products. Until now, Hasselblad's medium-format sensors have been used in DJI's drones, but speculation suggests that DJI is now working on a full-frame mirrorless system. If true, this camera could deliver stunning image quality thanks to Hasselblad's renowned color science and expertise in sensor development. By leveraging this technology, DJI has the potential to introduce a camera that not only competes with industry leaders but also redefines expectations in image quality. Unlike traditional camera brands that have been refining their systems for decades, DJI brings a fresh perspective to the market. They are not burdened by legacy systems, which means they can innovate without being constrained by tradition. DJI has already demonstrated its ability to disrupt industries, from drones to gimbals, and their entry into the mirrorless space could introduce new advancements that competitors have overlooked. One of DJI's greatest strengths is its expertise in stabilization technology. The Ronin 4D, for example, features industry-leading built-in stabilization, allowing filmmakers to achieve incredibly smooth shots without needing external gimbals. If DJI integrates similar stabilization into their mirrorless camera, it could be a game-changer, enabling photographers and videographers to capture professional-grade footage handheld, without additional accessories. If DJI follows its usual approach, this mirrorless camera could introduce several groundbreaking features. First, we can expect a modular design, allowing users to customize their setup depending on their needs. Whether shooting in a studio, on location, or for a cinematic project, a flexible design would make DJI's system highly adaptable. Another likely innovation is advanced connectivity. DJI has already demonstrated seamless wireless integration in their drones, enabling direct uploads and real-time cloud backups. If they bring similar technology to their mirrorless camera, it could drastically improve workflow efficiency for photographers and content creators. Additionally, internal storage options, similar to what DJI has implemented in their drones, could reduce the reliance on external memory cards, offering a smoother and more convenient user experience. Design-wise, DJI may take inspiration from Hasselblad's Scandinavian minimalism, resulting in a camera that is not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. Clean lines, intuitive controls, and an easy-to-navigate interface could set DJI's camera apart from competitors, many of whom still rely on complex menus and outdated ergonomics. Breaking into the mirrorless market won't be easy. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have spent years refining their ecosystems, and many photographers and filmmakers have already invested heavily in their lenses and accessories. However, DJI has one major advantage: they are outsiders with no legacy baggage. This allows them to rethink what a mirrorless camera should be without being tied to outdated design choices. If DJI can deliver a camera with cutting-edge stabilization, superior image quality, an intuitive user interface, and innovative connectivity options, they could attract professionals looking for a fresh alternative. Compatibility with existing lens mounts, particularly through the L-Mount Alliance, would also be a key factor in convincing users to make the switch. If the rumors about DJI's mirrorless camera are true, this could be one of the most exciting developments in the industry in years. DJI has already proven itself as an innovator in imaging technology, and if they bring their expertise to a mirrorless system, they could redefine the landscape. By combining their knowledge of stabilization, modular design, and seamless connectivity with Hasselblad's imaging heritage, DJI has the potential to create something truly groundbreaking. While challenges lie ahead, one thing is certain: DJI's entry into the mirrorless market will force the established players to step up their game. If they can deliver on the expectations set by these leaks, we could be witnessing the start of a new era in professional imaging. What do you think? Could DJI's mirrorless camera disrupt the industry? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest camera news and leaks.